right, we're getting closer and closer on the 53 Willis, and as you can see, I put the radiator in it with the fan, and when I put the Chevrolet engine in it, I was able to use the Chevrolet fan on it. And so I got the fan back here, I got to build a surround for it, and then the electric fan out front. And I built this brace to hold the radiator in, and seems to have worked pretty good. So I got the wiring, fans working, I got the wiring done. This is the headlights, and plural. So I'm going to, when I get the front fenders on, get the headlights on, and I'm really getting close then, and I got to go down and get some front calipers for it. We found the calipers on this thing came off of a 94 XJS. I knew they were Jaguar, but that's what they came off of. So I got to get them, and by then, I think I'll be able to drive as soon as I get a drive shaft. I got a little list over there with things I got to do. Also, what I've done on the back, but let me finish this on the front. Emil and I are going to put the front fenders on it here in a minute, and then I'll start in the next couple of days adjusting them and bolting them up, getting them ready, put in positions to put the headlights and all the other stuff. So if we'll walk around here to the back, I'll show you what else I've done around here. Little maze, but I managed to get the trunk lid on, and this is a not a flat black, it's a satin, and I got the tail lenses in, and it's wired with a stoplight and running light in it on both sides. So the back end, I'll get this on and close this up, it'll be completed. Then inside, I put a fuel cell, and I've got it all hooked up. I got a fuel pump underneath set up. So this is all done back here. So this is basically complete other than cleaning up the wiring back here. There's some wires hanging loose, and I got to snug them up and get them put back in right, but that's no big deal. So I'm very pleased with the progress, and we're getting close. And this is the front end, front fenders, doghouse, whatever you want to call them, that we're going to put on the car. And this will be a giant step forward. It's been some time since these things were on the car. So this will be exciting putting them on.
Hey, let's get to work.
Okay, let's go. Don't worry about that. I was limp wristed it there for a minute. Perfect.
Got mine in a good place.
Mine's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't going no place there. Ain't
Neat.
that neat?
That was quick.
Yeah,
Oh, it clears the fan just perfectly, like it was made for it.
I did that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you think I didn't pre-plan nothing.
Yeah.
Boy, was that luck.
That was cool, Fred. I like that. Fits the fans. Fan looks like it belongs. Oh yeah, look at that radiator.
Mm-hmm.
Clamps
Man.
and everything. Very cool.
Very nice. Yeah, I'm very pleased. Probably should have done that while I had it. No, I couldn't have done that, but I'll take care of it. Very neat. That looks like it was made for it, don't it?
It does, Fred. It's in a good place. It looks. You're gonna put the grill on? You're gonna use the grill?
I'm going to try to.
I think you should. I
Yeah.
think that'll be a good deal.
Only problem, it goes back to here.
Yeah.
I may have to just use these front two pieces, but I'm going, yes, I'm going to try to put something up there.
Yeah, you gotta fabricate something if you have to.
Yeah.
Very cool. Looks like a car again.
This thing just went up to $10,000.
Yeah. Neato. You got new tires for it.
Yeah, Ford brand new tires.
Very cool.
That's the biggest ones I can fit under the back.
Yeah.
A lot of brand new stuff on it. Very nice. The hood's all painted, ready to go on.
Okay. You gonna do that today or?
No, I want to get the fenders lined up. So
Okay.
everything's out of whack. See how far down this one is. I gotta shim it,
Yeah, it's gonna take a little bit.
bring it up to there. But I can do that. Oh, and let's walk over here and let me show you something else.
All right. Let me switch cameras.
No, bring the camera.
I was gonna bring the other camera because it's better. This GoPro is good, but it's really only good for action.